committee report is amended so that that is provided for. Secondly, we also have the AFCON roads. One of the roads that we have been informed will be linking Gulu City to Lira City is the Kona Yer, Kona Bohe, Icheme road. We've been informed previously that it will be tarmacked. It's also in the NDP3, but we want to get information on when is its tarmacking going to be done. Lastly, the report indicated that it costs 5 million to carry out maintenance under using the force account and 50 million using framework contracts. Our NDP3 clearly states that gravel road construction will cost 30 million shillings per kilometer. So I want to recommend that the committee also recommends that the cost of road construction per kilometer, especially the first class marrow, be realigned with the NDP3 costs. Thank you.
Christine Aliek. Thank you, the Right Honourable Speaker. I'm Christine Akelo, a Member of Parliament from Erutenos constituency. Allow me to thank the committee for the report they have presented. Right Honourable Speaker, I just want to add on to the few bridges. We have the bridges that have taken 7 years. These are the national roads. That there's a bridge called Abian Luru. It connects to Kole up to Gulu. So it has to be worked on. And we have Aler, Akor, Aleptong. It goes up to Teso. Then we have Aler, Akangi, Aleptong. That connects up to Teso. We have Apuche, Ayile, that connects to Yam up to Gulu. And this one was being constructed by SCDP project, and it collapsed before they could even commission the project. So the Right Honourable Speaker, we have lost so many lives. Just last month we lost 3 people died. They are trying to cross from Oyam coming to Lira district. So I'm requesting Ministry of Works to take it seriously. And I'm also in support of the UPDF to be given the mandate to construct the bridges. Then lastly, the Right Honourable Speaker, the road that comes from Paj Rokunya up to Kidgum, it has issues, especially in Aler, my constituency, where they're quarrying the rock. The people are complaining and they need to sign a new agreement concerning the compensation and the future of the people's land, because there's a conflict of interest of land between the district and the community. So I request the chairperson of the roads committee to investigate on that one. Thank you. Aliek.
We are here.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I'm speaking on behalf of Lango Parliamentary Group. Right Honourable Speaker, I would like to, first of all, give credit where it is due. I want to thank government for Lira Kambini Road, that is now almost getting finished, and also the construction of Rekunye Apach, Lira, Puranga Road, which is ongoing. But Right Honourable Speaker, on the issue of the ferry, Right Honourable Speaker, Masindi Port Ferry is the oldest in the country, and it is already outdated. So I would like the Ministry of Works to really consider this immediately, because it is breaking down almost every day and it is affecting traffic. Right Honourable Speaker, on the RAP road, the Rekunye Apach Lira Puranga Road, some of our people have never been compensated. So I would like to ask the Minister for Works and Transport that when will the compensation get completed, because our people have sacrificed the land where the roads are passing. They have never been compensated. The road is passing via Kole district, where most of the people in the area of Akalo have not been compensated, and other areas up to Puranga. Right Honourable Speaker, I want to talk about Dokolo Amolata Road. Right Honourable Speaker, I want to ask the Minister of Finance, because His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, wrote a letter of pre-financing and using the Chinese company that was ready to put tarmac on Dokolo Amolata Road in 2021. I want to ask the Minister of Finance that the president had already given the directive to Minister of Finance to accept pre-financing so that this road can be constructed and then payment should be done after 3 years. Right, Honorable Speaker. Minister of Finance is here, should give us an answer. This road could have been gotten finished by now. Right, Honorable Speaker, lastly, Right, Honorable Speaker, the issue of Lira Alloy Abim Road is 179 kilometers. Right, Honorable Speaker, this has been in NDP3, it has been in the NRM manifesto as well. So I would like the Minister of Finance to also give an answer together with Minister for Works. Right, Honorable Speaker, lastly, road maintenance fund of 1 billion, Right, Honorable Speaker. Not every district is the same. College district and other parts of the country are covered by water. So now the 1 billion, even if we use it for only the swamp crossings, putting the box culverts and whatever, Right, Honorable Speaker, the 1 billion is not enough, even in your own constituency, Right, Honorable. So I'm proposing that the government should consider through this parliament to add on the road maintenance fund to about 1.5 or 2 billion for that matter, so that we see how each district is going to use that money. Because at the moment, climate change has affected all the districts in this country, and we have a lot of water breaking down the roads and the bridges, Right, Honorable. We want it added. Thank you.
You're speaking on behalf of Lango. Bua, Chia. Bua, Chia, Napak.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, Otuke is the only district in northern Uganda where 5 Nile tribes departed when God created the universe. One was Teso. Second, Acholi Jabor, third, and then comes the Karamoja. Now, Honorable Speaker would request also each time I think I should represent this side of Otuke, which would cover all these tribes. We have a bridge which comes from Kapuilipio, that's a little Anogo sub-county. Secondly, we have a bridge which comes from Omoro to Rum, which is a Jury County, that's a Lepton district. The third bridge, we got Namagago, which comes from Agago district, Ogor. So, Honorable Speaker and the Minister, I think one of these bridges, they should be considered.
Honorable Namwaka.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, I want to thank the committee on their report. However, Madam Speaker, as you have sent us to go to all these areas in northern Uganda, I want to re-echo again on the issue of Kitgum, Karenga, Kidepo, Kabong, Kotido Road, which is actually one of the precious road that give us a lot of money from the tourism section. Madam Speaker, I want to inform you that when we went on the Committee of Defense and Internal Affairs, there were other members of parliament who could not cross from Moroto to Kotido because of Lupei Bridge, which was flooded. At the same time, we could not even cross to Abim, passing via Kotido to Alerect. And on the 2nd, Karenga is going to host
There's a procedure matter.
Karenga is going to host.
There's a procedure matter, Honorable Lamwaka.
Right Honorable Speaker, when my honorable colleague, Honorable Amwaka, was on the floor speaking, I was very keenly watching, and I saw the label on the screen stating Honorable Amwaka Catherine.
Next, Honorable Amaka Margaret.
Right Honorable Speaker, would it not be right procedurally for you to give me the chance after her to speak then?
Is that a procedure? Yes. Yes, Kathy.
Yes, thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. As I said,
There's a procedure matter here. Catherine, you will speak after Margaret.
The procedural issue I'm raising on, Madam Speaker, is that the members, honorable members sitting on the eastern side of the gallery of the chambers have not spoken. We are asking whether it's procedural right that your eyes is not seeing us on the other side, Madam Speaker. I beg to submit.
Honorable Member, Honorable Nancy Acholi, I don't remember losing my sight at any one time. My sight is very, very clear.
Right Honorable.
And I'm in my rightful mind. Honorable Amaka Margaret.
Yes, Right Honorable Speaker. What I was raising is that Karenga district is going to host a gala of Ateker on the 2nd to the 9th. And when I passed there, I also got stuck and slept in Karenga. I want to inform the Minister for Works that the road is impassable and the President is going to open that gala officially. And I would implore him, plus his colleagues, let me say UNRWA, to go and work. But when we got stuck, we called UNRWA and they did some work in some few places. However, Madam Speaker, there are so many bridges, especially in our district, which the district could not work on them. Like a bridge in Point is in Omia Nyima, where one time I went with the Minister of Local Government, and he also witnessed it. This bridge connects Agago and Omia Nyima Health Center, and we have only one health center, 3 in Omia Nyima, which is to serve us. So, Madam Speaker, I would say, if my...
Now, when you see Linda coming, that shows that she wants now to present the report of agriculture.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Catherine.
Right Honorable Speaker, I would like to thank you so much.
Karamoja, I'm coming. Karamoja, nobody has spoken from Karamoja. Yes. Leave Catherine to finish, and then I come over.
Right Honorable Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity. Madam Speaker, I've been following the report of the committee. I want to thank the chair for the very elaborate report. However, Madam Speaker, on their recommendation, one of their recommendations, talking about periodic assessment of bridges on some of the major roads in the country, Madam Speaker, I thought it would be very important for us to have a recommendation that covers all the bridges on the national roads in this country, Madam Speaker, to avoid us operating in a manner that we are in now, especially regarding Karuma Bridge, Madam Speaker. Secondly, Madam Speaker, I want to comment on the issues of roads under national roads. Ministry of Works should really improve on their coverage and as far as their assessment of status of roads is concerned, Madam Speaker. There are roads under national roads that have not been worked on for the last 5 years. Especially in Omoro district, I want to cite 2 cases. There is a road from Minakuru that connects Omoro to Nwaya district via Okwi. That road is in a very sorry state, Madam Speaker. 4 days ago, the community around there connecting to Nwaya have been even demonstrating. It's only your arrival in Omoro yesterday that calmed the situation down. We nearly lost 2 mothers who were on labor pain trying to access health facilities connecting to Kampala Road, Madam Speaker. I have written several times to the Minister, Honorable Musa Ichwero is aware of this, but nothing has been done on this road. Another road is Minja, connecting to Gulu district, to Omoro district, to Gulu and Kitgum, Madam Speaker. This is also another national road that has never been worked on. Even simple maintenance has never been done on the road, Madam Speaker. I want to implore the Ministry of Works, now that UNRWA is no longer going to be there, let the Ministry of Work take care of all the roads under national roads properly. And I want to sound also, add my voice, on the allocations for road under road funds, Madam Speaker. It's very absurd. When Parliament is considering adding funding to the districts to take care of roads, you again find that they are reducing some of these fundings that were earlier on there. I am not impressed with this move, Madam Speaker. The 1 million allocation by Parliament is really supporting local governments a lot as far as maintenance is concerned. I thank you, Madam Speaker.
Dorcas? PP.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, I would like to thank you for this opportunity, and also from the perspective of equal opportunities, to say that Lango sub-region, specifically on the issue of roads, we are doing very badly. Only about 3% of paved roads are in Lango sub-region. And for that matter, Right Honourable Speaker, the roads that Honourable Court Bitek had raised under NDP 3, we also have Dokolo to Aloy and Lira to Aloy, which have been existing under NDP 3 and no work has been done. And the entire Lango sub-region has very few paved roads. I would like, therefore, Right Honourable Speaker, to request that let government put special emphasis to ensure that Lango sub-region does not continue lagging behind. And again, Right Honourable Speaker, on the issue of Rekunya Patch Ferry, I had opportunity to witness the traffic on that road, whereby vehicles are spending about 5 days without crossing the ferry from one side to the other. And some of those vehicles are ferrying animals. And it becomes very risky. The cost of doing business is extremely high. I would like to support the committee recommendation of putting a much bigger ferry on that route. I thank you.
Thank you. PP. Honourable members, those who have not spoken will put down the names of their roads and will capture them. In the next report, those who will not have spoken will speak first. PP.
Thank you very much.
PP.
Thank you very much. Right Honourable
Achia, Baton.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. I am going to be very brief by asking questions. Number one, I would like to ask the Ministry of Works that you went to Pade and made a bridge called Wat Latch, which is from Ata to Kigwe Corner. After 2 months, the bridge collapsed, stopping children from going to school at Wipolo. We informed you several times. You have not gone back to correct that bridge. When are you going to correct the bridge? The second question is, there is a program called Rural Development, Food and Food Security in Northern Uganda, RootSec program. It has taken 2 years. I hear about this program. It is supposed to make a road from Awere, Pora, Awere, Bolagweng, to come and put a bridge on a Rufol. It will help the people to access the main road. When are you going to take on this project? One of the road is supposed to leave Lapul through Owega to Ukia. To date, we have not seen you doing this program. 2 years has ended. Can you explain to the people in Pade when you will do that, now that you are seated in Gulu Parliament?
Thank you.
The last one, my Right Honourable Speaker, is that you have said we should not speak about community access road, but it is very, very important, because the community access road is the one that helps our people on economic activity to come to the main road.
The community access roads are not national roads. We have given you money for it. go and ask your local government.
Okay, I wanted to
what
propose,
is
Right Honorable Speaker, that the funds be increased because it is small money. 2 million, 3 million breeds corruption in the sub-counties.
Okay,
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Dr. Chut, Christine, Aliet, Achia.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. I would like to propose 3 amendments to the report. The first is that in relation to Lawan sub-region, having the lowest stock of tarmac roads in the country, just 3%. The reason that we were given previously as Lawan parliamentary group is that we have very few national roads. Most of our roads are district roads. And we made a petition to Ministry of Works to upgrade several district roads to national roads. It's now 2 years that has not happened. I want to recommend that the committee